Now we had the markets accelerate and close down, almost at their lows. The Dow closed down 1,033 points. The Nasdaq closed down almost 600 points, and the S&P down heavy. And this market in the past 3 days has wrecked a lot of portfolios, and many of these stocks, what took a year to build up, has been wiped away in less than a week. And I'm afraid things are going to get worse. This downtrend, it may pause, but in my opinion, it's not over. This market's going to continue heading down towards the election. And my thinking right now is Dow 33,000. Now we had all Dow Trend Jones Industrial Average stocks down, all 30 of them. And we had the VIX scream higher. VIX up 59% today. So the volatility is there. Now, we don't have much economic news coming out this week, so we may have to rely on a big name company, their earnings, to turn this ship around short term. If not, this market's going to continue to fall, and we're going to have trouble finding our legs. Now, surprisingly today, many of the regional bank stocks, they were up. They were the darlings of the market today. But these are the stocks, these are the banks, the companies to be actually worried about, because the commercial real estate crisis, that continues to grow and get worse. The consumer continues to get poorer. And now with the market falling, you're going to see financing freeze up. And a lot of those troubles, they're going to be put on the backs of the regional banks. And again, all it's going to take is one of these banks to fail. And we're going to be talking about contagion and a domino effect, where one bank takes down several others. Now, after the bell, we had Palantir report their earnings, and that stock is actually up more than 15% in the after hours. Now, their second quarter revenue came in above estimates, and they're actually raising their 2024 profit guidance. So good news there. Now, we had the railroad CSX report their earnings, and their numbers were pretty much in line, and that stock is up about 3% in the after hours. Now, that stock was down 3% during market session, so pretty much break even. But the good thing here is no bad news coming out of CSX. Now, my worry is with the hard downdraft that we've seen in the past 3 days in the market, you're going to see a lot of credit and capital freeze up, and you're going to begin getting a lot of companies that are skittish to put in their orders, perhaps to purchase new orders. And when you see companies back away from their purchasing and hold off because of turbulent times, you can see this market downtrend really get legs, and this thing could turn down real quick. Now, something to keep an eye on, but the big takeaway is I believe you're going to begin seeing massive layoffs from many of these big name companies, and we're ultimately going to be stuck in a whirlwind. As more people who are laid off, they curtail their spending, and that affects retail and everything else. And we just get stuck in the loop heading towards the bottom. So we'll see. So right now I'm cautious and believe this market is still going to head down. This quick stock market commentary, please like and subscribe.